In this video lesson, you will discover how to draw a model standing in contrapposto with the knowledge of body anatomy and proportions.
Life Drawing by Vladimir London. I will make this artwork on manually toned paper in pencils. In a contrapposto pose, most of the figure's weight is supported by one leg. This is one of the most common standing poses in classical art. After marking the figure's top and bottom edges, I divided the figure's height in half. The pelvis line is tilted. The top half is halved again. And the top quarter is also divided in half. The head takes a bit more than 1/8 of the figure. The head fits 7 times and a bit in the figure's height. The face takes 5/6 of the head height. The distance from the pit of the neck to the pubic bone, which is in the middle of the figure, is comparable to the distance from the top of the pelvis to the top of the kneecap. It also measures from the top of the kneecap to the toes. This skeleton will be used to explain the origins and insertions of muscles that influence the body's appearance. The level of the eyes divides the head in half. In contrapposto, the ribcage is quite close to the pelvis's top at the compressed side of the torso. The axis of the shoulders counterpoises the tilt of the pelvis. The height of the pelvis is comparable to the height of a head. The length of an elbow bone is slightly bigger than the height of a head. The face is divided into 3 parts, thus locating the eyebrows level and the base of the nose. The angle of the model's arm can be checked in life and applied in drawing. The tailor's muscle is the longest muscle that spans from the front hip bone to the knee area. It resembles a belt. This muscle influences the contour of the upper leg. The straight muscle of the abdomen spans from the rib cage to the pubic bone. This paper is toned in watercolor, which can be erased to white paper. This way, I can add soft highlights. I build tones layer by layer in this drawing. This way, it is easier to control how rendering is developing, and also, I can stop rendering at any moment, and this artwork would look complete.